I need to talk about something that could save your home. Dryer vent cleaning. Lint is extremely flammable. When your vent duct is clogged, the dryer runs hotter than it should, and that lint is right next to a heat source. That's how dryer fires start. Thousands of house fires every year. Leading cause: failure to clean the vent. Warning signs: your vent is clogged right now. Clothes take more than one cycle to dry. The dryer feels extremely hot. You smell burning when it runs. The dryer shuts off before the cycle finishes. You see lint around the outside vent, or very little airflow coming from the exterior vent. If you're experiencing any of those, stop using the dryer and get the vent cleaned immediately. How often? Minimum once a year. Every 6 months if you have pets, a large family, or run multiple loads daily. Longer vent runs through attics or roofs need annual cleaning. Cost: $100 to $200 for professional cleaning. Takes less than an hour. We use commercial rotary brushes and high-powered vacuums that clean the entire length. Consumer brush kits can't reach deep clogs. Protect your home, cut your electric bill, and extend your dryer's life. Dryer vent cleaning in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hobe Sound. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.